Good morning, it is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold. Market opens up here in about 8 minutes. Maybe some pre-market trading, but I'm not planning on it unless something really stands out. However, you never know. But regardless, market opens up now in 7 minutes, so I will keep you updated. Market doesn't open up for 2 minutes. However, TVIX here is coming to life here. Had my initial entry point at 1475, so maybe I'm going to get filled here before the opening bell. So I'll keep the video rolling here. And let's see if it can get down through the $15 mark or not. All right, now it's pausing right around here, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. All right, looking for my initial entry point here on TVIX at 1337. Just 500 shares, so just something to get my feet wet. All right, so I got those. We'll look to pick up some more here below 13. So next order is at 1255. You can see I got those ones out. So next order again at 1255. See if I can get those ones. All right. Not liking how that's acting, so I'm going to actually move those down to 1175. So up a quick $60 there. Let's see if this can move its way down to break through the $12 mark. Big size there at 1260 on the level 2s. So a good real-time example of recognizing size and level 2s. If you don't know what I mean by that, well then just take that as a right there again, 1260, big size, but it's getting hammered away pretty quick. So all right, I'm going to go ahead and pause, but like I said, next order at 1175. From a learning lesson, once 1260 is broken, if it is, there should be a pretty quick plunge. But that size is staying strong. It's getting weaker and weaker though. But once that size is gone, I'd look for a pretty quick move to the downside here. But one step at a time. First got to break down through 1260. So I'll keep it rolling, see if we can get a little miniature educational example in here. Getting hammered and hammered and hammered, but that was big size and it continues to hold strong, but it is getting weaker and weaker, and there's the break. So like I said, I'm thinking this thing will move pretty quick now. Trying to get down through 1250. There's the break of that. My next order is at 1137. So we'll see if the price can get down there or not. I will keep you updated. All right, move my order down to 1127. Let's see if we can capture the break of 1150. And if that happens, would like to see a relatively quick move down to the 1127. But all right, now it's getting caught up here. So never mind, it's looking like for now. All right, there was the break of 1150. Move my order down to 1115. So we'll see if it can make its way down there or not. Lowest it's gone so far, 1144. All right, move that order down to 1075. Just based on some things that I'm seeing on the chart. Keep in mind, I have other monitors that you cannot see. So that's where those are coming from. All right, I don't like how that's acting. So we need to move this down. So as you saw there, move the order down to 1037. So we'll see if this downwards move can work its way down to that point or not. I'll keep it rolling just because this thing can move quick. So it's trying. Well, we're at 5 minutes. I've only captured one trade, so I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, looking to excuse me, looking to pick up some shares here at 8.95. Okay, I got those, just 500 shares to get my feet wet. Let's go 8.55 too for another 500 shares. Well, and that fast I'm out. But regardless, double checking. Okay, 8.55. We'll look to start the process there again if it wants to drop back below the $9 mark. And that process will start again at 8.55. I will keep you updated here. All right, down it went again. Now it's just a question of can it pull back far enough to the 8.55 mark. Moves very quick, like I said earlier, so I'll do my best to capture an entry point, but I'm going to go ahead and pause. But my apologies ahead of time if I miss it. All right, have an order at 7.85. Let's see if it can get down there or not. Also have an order on CRUS at 47.75 to short. So there's the break of 8. All right, I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting a little bit more of a plunge per se with that break, and that didn't happen. And now back up above 8. So I'm gonna change that order to 7.55. Let's go check on CRUS. Oh, that one's still not even close. All right, I'm gonna keep on searching. All right, looking for some shares here on DWDP. 70.85 initial shorting order. Got up as high as 70.28. So we'll see if it can make its way back upwards or not. Have an order on CRUS at 47.95, but to check on that real quick, yeah, that one's not even close. But this one here, it's within striking distance, but it seems far off, but this one definitely is quite jumpy. So we'll see if it can make its way up there or not. All right, I have an order at, there we go, nice. Picked up some TVIX once again at 10.27 for my initial order. $10.27, so that needs to be 37. We'll look to pick up some more down here if it wants to drop back below 10 at 9.85. And then 9.75. All right, well, it gave me those ones. So I'll keep that order down there at 9.85 then and see if it wants to drop back below there or not. All right, looking to pick up 500 shares here at 107.55. Once again, another very quick mover. So I'll do my best to capture the entry point live. All right, looking to buy this pullback here. Initial order at 13.75. So let's see if we can get a breakdown through 13, or excuse me, through 14. There it was. All right, I'm not going to sit there for that. So let me make the adjustment here. New order at 13.37. Got to pay a little bit closer attention to the chart there. So let's go 13.30. There's the break. See if I can get those. Well, got close. All right. Never mind on those. Let's go down to 13.01. And I'm going to keep you updated almost at 10 minutes, but I'm going to watch this one closely and do my best to capture the entry point. All right, I got shares at 12.55. I was away from my computer. So I'm going to put some more orders in down there. So let's see if I can get these out at 1265, or like I said, I'm interested in building some more. Okay, so it broke down through 1255, or it broke down through 12, excuse me. Let's see, I'm at 1255. Okay. All right, I will go ahead and pause, and I will let you know if it looks like I'm either going to get out for the profit or if I'm going to be able to, well, now it's moving. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause it. Okay, looking like I haven't, there we go. It got some 1265s, got some 1255s. Let's do some 1205s. Put some orders out there. So let's see if I can build up a bigger position here. Only at 1,500 shares. I mean, we're talking about a sub, $20 stock, so still not a whole lot of capital on the line. Gonna throw out some orders down there in case it wants to break down below 11. Let's see what happens though. All right, we're going on 12 minutes. I'm gonna have to go ahead and pause for now. I'll keep you updated. All right, looking to potentially maybe get some shares out at 11.95. Okay, I got those out. Got those out at 12. And then got those out at 12.03. Up. All right, well, that's what happens when I don't double check. I thought I had 2,000 shares. Apparently I only had, right? I'm gonna have to go back and rewatch this. Where did I buy? I bought at 12.55, 11.65. Oh, 12.55. Yeah. Well, maybe I lucked out here because how high did it actually go? 12.17. So I meant to still have 500 shares right now, so that could be very costly, especially if we get the bounce here. But that was my own fault. Nobody look at but the person in the mirror. So if it wants to continue pulling back, I'll look to build a position again. But yeah, definitely error on my part. But we'll see what happens. 13 minutes. I appreciate the feedback a lot of you give me, and many say I like the long video, so I'll see if I can get one more trade captured. And if you don't like the long videos, then hey, I'm not offended if you decide to bail right now, but let's see if I can find one more. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Was looking at TVIX again, but decided, I'll just hold off. And I don't know. I may have still had those final 500, but I was also probably looking for a little bit. Not probably. I was looking for a quicker of a bounce. But regardless, got quite a bit of variety. And maybe the biggest lesson: don't walk away from your computer, or else you could come back and have a little surprise. But that surprise turned out to be just fine because I did like my initial entry point. But anyways, as I wrap things up, if you enjoyed the video and want me to keep making these, the easiest way to communicate that to me and say, hey, Clay, please keep making these, is click that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, then you can go to claytrader.com and check out the Inner Circle. That is my private trading community, and the cost is only $99 per year. Not per month, just per year. And then finally, if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts and such, then I offer online video training courses on that. Just got to go to, once more, claytrader.com and go to the course section. So thank you as always. And like I said, if you want me to keep making these, just click that like button. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.